Here we are at the lake. A bit of fishing today on here with my boat. I've never seen this lake so low in water, ever. In all the years I've been coming here. I've been coming here for donkey's years. Never seen it that low. At all. All that weather we've had, no rain. In the distance up. A boat. Back in my van. 8-foot dinghy. Small little outboard for it, back at van. The van. And it's right on the boat trail. Plan to work pretty soon, just waiting for the office to open so I can sign on. Inside we've got the outboard, small trolley motor, paddles, food, etc. Baits in a bag, life jacket. So I'm just waiting for the main office to open. 9 o'clock, it's only 25 past 8. I thought I'd get here a little bit early before I get a parking space because this would get absolutely rammed at 9 o'clock. And we'll go down the slip there, launch the boat and off fishing. Boat in the water, off the trail as you can see. I'm going to jump in now. Do a bit of fishing. I've got fishing rod out. Well, you can see the float. I'm just trying to do a bit of float fishing really. So get all this still really. Just trying to catch some. We have seen some perch further down, some small perch. Just put a worm on. We'll try and get some perch. This wind's blowing me around a little bit in circles. I'm on anchor, still just moving me slightly. But what a beautiful day. Out the lake as you can see. Towards the top end of Oliver Lake. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to carry on fishing. Gonna make it out. Some guy, I'll try and zoom in. And I think they call them a wakeboard. They stand up and paddle. Absolutely brilliant. I can just about stand up in my boat and one little thin board. Been fishing now about an hour. I've had a good few knocks. I'm going to try, I'm going to come off the worm. As daft as it sounds, I'm going to put a little bit of a lure on float and I'm just going to drift. See if it takes it. Try and change things up a little bit. Well, it's lovely. I booked the day off work. Well, I booked a couple of days of work. It's Friday today. I'm going away tomorrow. Got some Morecambe, a bit of camping, a bit of sea fishing. So I'm just enjoying today on here really. Yeah, that guy, he's gone all the way around, that guy. You can see him right now. I think he's right over there now in the distance somewhere. He's been all the way around the lake on that. Absolutely brilliant. There's a brave man than me standing up on a little board. I don't think you're going to get this on camera guys, but just move that. You see that? What if you can or not? Loads and loads and loads of fry. Not sure what they are. There's absolutely loads of them. I hope you're getting that. There's hundreds of them. Well, it's showing I can't see the screen for the sun. Absolutely fantastic. They seem to be staying with the boat for some reason. Brilliant. Perch. I've just noticed a couple of perch there. You're not going to see it, I don't think. Oh, there's a good mixture of fish there. Absolutely fantastic to see. See that? Aaron sat on the boat. Just make him out. So there. Oh, a bad picture guys, sorry, I'm trying to zoom in. Aaron sat on the boat. As you can see, I'm back home now, just emptying van. Had a good couple of hours of fun. No fish, but it were all worth it. Had a good few knocks though. Yeah. Nice morning out boat fishing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the wind. See you all soon.